Hey fam, so I am going to the footy grand final today. Sort of plummy rose gold look to go, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. I've hydrated my face already with the Tatcha oil just because my skin is really dry. Now I'm just gonna shortcut today. I'm putting the paint pot straight onto my lid because I'm just tired and I can't be bothered to prep it with foundation. And my eyelash extensions are due to be infilled, but I haven't gone because I haven't had time. So I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette Red Ochre color. Ew, what is that hair? Gross. Got way too much hairspray on it and it's just like stiff. That is going to be a problem. So when I do it, I put a lot of product just right in the outer corner of the eye. Then I sweep it through the crease and I like sweep it out as well. If you've got too much product, you should be pressing lightly or transferring it to the other eye if it needs it. Now I'm gonna use the Madame Cosmetics and I'm gonna use this shade down the bottom corner. No idea what it's called. And I'm just gonna pop it on with my finger. Rose goldy berry sort of colored. Amazing. I'm gonna be using my, yeah, I'm filming. Don't talk. I'm filming. Okay, then I'm just gonna use the Butterscotch Anastasia Beverly Hills up on the brow bone, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. I just wanna add a little bit of oomph onto there, so I'm gonna get the Cypress just here and use it on the outer corner, just the tiniest bit. Now I'm going to be using the Quick Flick. And that's too high. Oops. This side I did better than that side, but I'll fix it. So the way you fix it is obviously if you're going to connect and draw your line, you just sort of fix up the flick wherever you stuffed it up, which I didn't press hard enough, so I stuffed it up a bit. Okay, so because I have no eyelashes whatsoever, I'm gonna pop some strips over the top. These are the W376 from Model Rock. I've just painted the lash band black, that's why it looks dirty, but it's not. Okay, so I have finished my eye makeup and now I'm going to go onto my base. So I've primed my base and I'm gonna pick a foundation color. So I've got the Fenty Beauty Caramel Match Stick, and that's what it looks like. So cute. And they like full magnet together. How crazy is that? It's like, take it away. And then this is the highlight that I'm gonna use, the Starstruck. It's so beautiful. The way it goes on is actually crazy. It's so smooth. I could literally just draw it all over my face. So natural. What? This is insane. Look at me drawing it on. What the hell? Oh my god, it's so smooth. So I'm just gonna use a wet sponge and like press it in. It's a little bit too dark for my skin, so I'll show you what I'll do to lighten it up. I bought it when I was in America, so I was like a lot darker then. Oh my god, the finish is like actually crazy. Wow. So my concealer is just going to be a little bit lighter, and that will lighten the rest of my face, and that's going to go under my eye. And then pop it underneath my eye. So the Starstruck is like a cream highlighter. I'm not going to go and swipe it across. The reason why is because it's going to just screw my whole makeup up. So the reason I'll screw my makeup up would be a stripe, and then I would be able to blend it out. So what you need to do is put it on your finger. You know what, let's stripe it, see what it does. All right. It goes on so weird. I've never used anything like this. It's not a bad thing, it goes on well. It didn't even stripe the skin, it's just like it like slightly like comes off. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows off camera. Okay, so a bit of blush. I'm gonna use the same color as I used on top, which is the red ochre. And then I'm gonna use some of the rosy gold, like berry color in the middle. Okay, so we're ready. It's Rooster Red. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a very short and brief.